I had this business of mine, okay, and I used to customize dinner plates and mugs and all, paint and sell. So
Oh,
okay, we have
really?
yeah, okay, so we
Yeah, yeah.
have
We slowly and
yo-yo.
steadily getting students come in,
I
I think
can't
we should
hear
wait.
your voice.
What?
Hello, Rushda.
Hi, Rishta. Yes, Arshad, you were saying something. We couldn't hear you. I could only hear your voice. We have Shamaila, we have Yo-Yo in the house. Everybody, come on, show us your faces. Are you related? No.
By the way, that's what I
Oh,
even
okay, okay.
asked.
That's the
Yeah,
question.
yeah, yeah,
Alfia Soni and Deepika Soni. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. When
Hi.
the
The
first
same
thing that
last
came
name.
into my mind.
We share the same last name.
Okay, so we have Iron Man joining now. Iron Man is joining
Yeah.
in. Yo,
Hi.
Iron Man.
Hello.
Okay.
Shabana ma'am, I
Okay, I
always
think
like,
Deepika ma'am.
we can start.
No, no, go on, Alfia,
Hello, little
please.
kiddos.
No, I'll tell to you in the chat.
Yeah. Okay, so it's special guest for you guys. Deepika ma'am, let me just introduce you. Let's just be like, get that formality done. So today we have a guest for you who will be taking your session. So don't worry, it's not Alfia or myself who's doing your arts. Relax, take a deep breath and smile. Don't be so shocked seeing us. So yeah, yeah. Now I can see everybody that we are not taking the session. So may I present Deepika ma'am, and she'll be taking over your art session, please. So Deepika ma'am, it's all yours.
Hello, little kiddos. I'm
Hello,
Deepika, as your
ma'am.
ma'am introduced. Can we have a short introduction? Am I audible? So, can we have a short introduction one by one? Can you all introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Julia and I'm 11 years old.
Okay, fine.
My name is Abdullah and I'm 12 years old.
Okay,
My name is Rishta and I'm 10.
nice name.
My name is Ashal. I am 10 years old.
Okay. Only this
My
much
name,
students are there.
my name is Yahya and I am 11 years old.
Why you are looking so tired? Yo yo. So before starting, can you all tell me what do you understand by art? Can anyone?
Activity,
Yeah, activity. But what's we can
profession,
express who told
imagination,
nation. It's a skill. We can say it's a skill. Means it's a skill in which you have to perform or you have to show your own skill. Am I right?
yes,
Okay. So, do you know the basics of arts? Yo-yo, Juveria, Umar. Am I audible, ma'am?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, completely, Deepika ma'am. Please go ahead. Yes, come on, children. She thinks
So
she's
I'll
not
put
audible because you're not answering. Go ahead.
a
4. And more answers? I want more answers.
Pencil, sketching, and shading.
So now, ma'am, am I supposed to share my screen?
Aisha, can we give her the access to screen share, please? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yo, don't get tired.
Okay.
We can't hear you, Shabana ma'am.
Deepika, whatever you're comfortable, just go ahead with it. You need not ask us.
Hello, ma'am. I couldn't hear you.
She's saying that it's you don't have to take permission from us or don't ask us. Just go ahead, go
Okay,
with the
ma'am.
flow. Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
These
ma'am.
are your kids. It's you and the children. Your time. Okay.
Okay. So, dear kiddos, are you all able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
So, here you can see the basics of arts. Okay. You all have heard about color?
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you understand by color? Tell me some names of colors.
Red, black,
Black, brown, green.
bottle green, marine blue.
Okay, means you all know colors. Now, it is also basics of our arts. When we draw something or when we make something, we need to draw a line.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have a different form of lines. It can be in the form of zigzag. It can be in the form of row. Okay. Now the third element of art is shape. Can you explain me what do you understand by?
Ma'am, like
Here you can
something
see.
made with many things.
No, it's not.
Ma'am,
You
like
can see
square,
square,
circle,
rectangle.
rectangle.
Shape we can also say it's a closed figure. It can be curvilinear. Okay. Texture. Texture means on which we are making, on which we are drawing, like our canvas sheet, smooth paper, butter paper. Okay. I'm not getting. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Are you finding it difficult?
Oh,
No.
Don't worry. We are going to do activity on it. Okay. Then value tells that our drawing. You heard about sketching?
Yes. Yes.
yes.
In that you see that with dark lines, then
Yes.
some
Yes,
light
ma'am.
lines,
Shades. Shades.
shades. It
Ma'am,
tells
shades.
us, yeah. So my dear little seven elements of arts. One by one, I'm going to tell you their name: line, shape, value, color, texture, and space and form. Difficult to learn, na? So there is a
Oh,
small
ma'am.
trick to learn all of them. Uh, eh, do you all love ice cream?
Yes.
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 So we can learn them like large scoops vanilla chocolate tastes so fine. So line for shape for scoop, value for vanilla, color for chocolate, texture for taste, space and form for fine. Understood?
Ma'am, can you put it in chat?
Yes, I can. Now here I am telling you. So for line we are taking large. For shape we are taking scoops.
Can you write it on chat now?
Okay. From where I have to exit?
Chat is where you can unmute and your video will be off. There is an option of chat. Ma'am, you are sitting on mobile.
Yes, ma'am, there only.
We write on book, no, ma'am.
Ma'am, got it.
Got it? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
basics of arts. Okay, we have different kind of matlab, just we have many more, but for you now it's fine. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what are primary colors, tertiary colors?
Yes, ma'am.
Primary colors is yellow, red, and blue. Secondary colors green, orange, and purple, brown.
And what are tertiary colors?
Ma'am,
The
we
other
don't know tertiary colors.
You don't know?
We only know primary and secondary.
Tertiary colors are those colors like we are in primary school. Okay, whatever we study in primary and come in secondary. Okay, and the tertiary colors are those colors which are made by combining primary colors and
Ma'am, like green.
Yes.
Okay, let me share you my screen.
Like green and yellow.
Then you will understand it better. See. Primary red, yellow, and blue. Secondary colors red plus yellow. What we get?
Red.
And yellow plus blue. What we get?
Green. Green.
And blue plus red. What we get?
Purple. Ma'am,
So these three are what? They are secondary colors.
ma'am, color
Yes.
spelling is COLOU.
No, it can be written as COLORS also.
Okay.
Yes. Can you all able to see it?
We can see, ma'am.
It is known as color wheel. Have you heard about it? Have you heard about it? No?
No.
So wheel is a wheel in which you can find all the colors. Okay? So here you can see which color is primary. And it is the basic of arts, we all should know it. Okay? Now here blue is which color?
Primary.
Red? Red purple?
Red purple is tertiary.
Okay. Red orange color?
Tertiary.
Okay. So can you all write it down in your copies? Which color? Primary colors and secondary colors.
Yes.
Just give a heading, types of colors. Now write primary color and red, blue. Okay.
There are three red, ma'am. Red purple, red primary, red orange, red.
You just write, first of all, you just write primary colors, then secondary colors, then tertiary colors. Name of the in each of the block. Make blocks. Or you can also make a wheel like this.
Ma'am, we make circle also.
Make a circle, whatever is comfortable with you.
Okay.
Or rather you can do like it. Primary colors, then just write their name, red, blue, and yellow. Okay.
Lecture.
Then for secondary colors also write this, and for tertiary colors also. Sorry. written, everyone? Anas, I'm not understanding what about your messaging. My mom said no. Written? Please answer.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. Can we move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are
Ma'am, you are muted. We cannot hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, we can hear
Yeah,
you.
we hear you.
Ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible. Audible.
Okay. So, what we are studying today? Art. So, in
Art.
art contains its definition in only this word. A stands for act appropriately. Means whatever we are making, whatever we are doing in a right direction. And the second word comes in art is R, which stands for respect everything and everyone. Means whatever we are doing, whatever we are making, we have to respect each and everyone, like our culture, our we don't have to make or do anything rubbish. And T stands for try. Have you heard of you can think it, you can do
Try,
it?
try until you don't succeed.
Yes. Try until you don't get succeed.
Try, but don't cry.
Nice. Anisa, what happened? Are you not understanding?
Ma'am, ma'am, my name is not Anisa. My name is Anya.
But here, shake.
Wait, ma'am.
Are you not understanding? Or
Ma'am, we are understanding.
okay. So now I would like to ask you everyone that whatever you got, please tell me. You and you learn, please tell me one by one
Ma'am, we learned
about colors,
we learned
Ma'am,
texture rules.
one by
ma'am,
one.
you told about art. It was very cool. Art, A for appropriate, R for respect, and T for try. I
I did not know this. And I did not know colors also. I only knew primary and secondary colors that.
And can you tell me the elements of basic elements of arts?
Yes,
There are
three.
7. Not ice cream. I have explained you it with a sentence of ice cream. They are
Yes.
line, shape, value, colors, and form. So they are a quite bit difficult to learn. So I have explained you with a sentence of ice cream. Large scoops vanilla chocolate tastes so fine.
Yes, ma'am, that makes easy
Getting
to learn.
my getting my point?
Yes.
Yes.
And soon we all want activities on that. So you will learn them very easily. Getting it?
Yes, Yes. ma'am.
Now next
Yes,
student,
ma'am.
Juveria. Tell me what did you learn?
I learn about colors, secondary, primary, and if we mix the primary color, it will become secondary, and if we mix the secondary color, then it will become um, I forgot the word.
Tertiary colors. Tertiary colors
Yeah,
are those colors
tertiary
which,
color.
what are tertiary colors?
When we mix primary and secondary colors.
Give name of a tertiary color. Any example?
Pink.
Okay. Tell me the sentence which I gave you for remembering all the elements of arts. That's
You are
Uh, Large scoop vanilla chocolate taste of shape, value, colors, texture, shape, form.
very good. Umar,
Thank you, ma'am.
Umar,
that is not Umar, that is Umar's brother.
so where is Umar?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what did you learn?
I love territory color, tertiary color.
Can you define it?
If we mix primary color and secondary color, we get tertiary color.
Any example?
Blue, green, yellow, green, orange, yellow.
No, no, no. Yellow is primary color, secondary color. I want example of tertiary color.
That only I'm saying. Ma'am,
Okay,
teal color.
that's fine. Now
Red,
tell
green.
me,
Red, green. Red, green.
red is
And
primary color.
primary. Red is a primary.
Purple.
Green is a secondary.
Red,
So we
orange.
ma'am, you wrote the red and pink. That is tertiary color. Red plus pink. Red plus pink.
Red, purple.
Purple.
अरे हाँ sorry red purple.
Primary.
Because red is primary color.
Yes, ma'am. Primary.
Umar, can you tell me what do you understand by texture? Umar, is he there? Okay, leave. Rusheda, Rushda,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me that 7 elements of art, and can you define it in a one line?
Uh, I don't understand what you mean.
I'm asking of art which I taught you. Can you define them in one or two line? Each one of them.
Shape, form, value,
Line.
and
How can you define line?
like
Can you define shape?
shape is. I don't.
Yes, try. Not getting. Define shape like shape is a closed figure which can be linear or curvilinear. For example, you can take circle for curvilinear and square for linear. Easy? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad Arshad.
Muhammad Arshad.
Arshad. Okay. The definition of color in one or two line. Can you define it by your own?
No.
Not getting.
No.
You can define color like color is an element uh, seen by our eyes through reflection. Reflection.
Yes.
What is reflection?
Own face.
Like reflected light comes to our eyes, then only we can see everything.
Yes.
So when reflected light, only we can see colors. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can define colors like element derived from reflected light.
Reflected light.
Color is an element of art which is derived from which comes from reflected light, which we see from reflected light. Getting?
Yes.
Yo-yo is there?
Ma'am, his name
Yo-yo?
is Yahya. His
What?
name is Yahya.
Yo-yo Yaha.
Ma'am, that is his pet name. You.
Written that only. Yo-yo?
Ma'am, my network connection is bad.
So, can you give me my question? I will ask you one question only.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute. As this asked you, Muhammad, what is color? Can you explain me?
Ma'am, it is an element which is always used in art.
Element derived from light. Element of art.
Element derived from reflection of light.
Element of art
Of art
derived from reflection of light.
derived from reflection of light.
Okay. Alfia Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Is she there? Can you tell me what are tertiary colors?
Sure, ma'am. Purple plus what? I'm sorry.
Red.
Purple is secondary color.
Tertiary color.
Tertiary colors, right? Something plus
Sorry,
purple.
sorry,
will-
ma'am. I
It's okay.
Oh no!
It's like these
It's
with
good.
each
It's
other.
good that you questioned me
Perfectly
because I
okay.
clearly wasn't paying attention. You see.
It's primary color plus secondary color is equal
Color
to
with
tertiary
tertiary
color.
color. Yes, that I know. But what's the color? I have no idea.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, ma'am, if we don't pay attention in your class, don't shout us, okay?
Oh my god!
I've been. God.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Who was this?
This is Abdullah Patel.
That is Abdullah Patel.
Yeah.
Now, Abdul will tell each and everything which I taught you.
Whoa!
Abdullah, get ready.
I love you, Deepika ma'am. You are fantastic.
Ma'am, you taught this arts ka that appropriate
Start from definition
respect
of art.
definition of art. Art
I
is
forgot.
in which there is skill, in we use skill.
I know.
Double
I know.
skills
I
is
know
there,
this.
ma'am. You only
Double skill. No, you don't
Art is
need
a
double.
skill which need a skill.
Art is a skill where you have to show your skills.
Deepika
That's what she
ma'am,
said.
two of
Ma'am,
his English
can
teachers
I
are
say?
sitting over here. His level of English.
Double skill.
Now, I have taught you two
And then,
definitions
ma'am,
of
you
art.
got
Yeah.
that basic art which is
Describe it.
line, shape. Line is something with what you draw, and shape is a value is that, ma'am. Shades and color is like color blue color, green color, yellow color, black color. What you make like something, you give textures to things like, and space is place, form is
Can you tell me the other definition of art which I taught you? A stands for what? R stands for what?
A stands for appropriate, R stands for respect, and T stands for try.
Definition of primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors.
Prime primary colors is equal to secondary colors. Secondary colors
No.
plus primary colors is equal to
Ma'am,
tertiary
primary
colors.
colors combined is equal to secondary colors, and secondary colors and primary colors combined is tertiary colors.
Yes, it was right. Abdullah.
So that means Deepika ma'am, from secondary color you get primary color. Math. Alfia ma'am,
What
math
are you
equation for you.
Yes, it can be like math also.
I don't know if that makes sense.
If you want to torture Alfia ma'am, ask her math question.
See, they know my strengths and my weaknesses both.
Okay.
Ma'am, Alfia ma'am's strengthness is BTS and her weakness is maths.
I'm
Whose
going
weakness is
bad. My
good, Abdullah?
maths. I'm very bad with maths.
Ma'am, me too.
I am so sorry, but this has nothing to do with our surnames. I'm telling you. Oh, Deepika ma'am, how?
No, I have fear of algebra. I don't like algebra at all.
Oh, true.
Me three.
Keep quiet, Mohammed.
Okay.
You can't say that.
Also with you, ma'am.
Ma'am, फिर Sony uncle would also not like maths. Ma'am, Sony uncle, Sony TV वाला.
Are shush, Abdullah. Can we please?
Can we ignore Abdullah, please? Oh God.
Now it's turn
Yes,
for
Deepika ma'am.
Anna's brilliant.
Now, Deepika ma'am, ask something. Because I am excellent with math.
Abdullah,
Abdullah
can
is
you
excellent
draw
with drawing.
Abdullah's weakness is drawing.
Yes.
Abdullah,
That's participative in this class because there was nothing to draw in color.
no ma'am, but soon we are going to do some activities in which Abdullah have to draw.
Well said, Alfia.
Abdullah, can you draw
Ma'am,
that
I will
color
come
wheel
back
which
for
I have
revenge.
shown you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you draw that color wheel which I shown you?
Ma'am, 2 घंटे लगे.
There is nothing to do in that.
Draw human
Ma'am, I
figure.
have to remove so many chota and then put
Draw
the
face,
color
Abdullah. Draw face.
No, it's like
Okay.
that Vietnamese torture chamber. That is like for Abdullah drawing a color wheel.
Oh God.
He is interested in art.
He was the most active one, right?
Yes.
Right. So, Deepika ma'am, we should be winding the session. If you want to conclude, please. Deepika ma'am, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah.
My
Shabana ma'am, I can see your hand only.
Okay.
I'm not able
We're
to hear
supposed to
you.
end. So, if you want to conclude,
No, I don't want to conclude.
okay. So you can end. You can say goodbye to the children.
bye.
So guys, did you enjoy the session?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Good,
Yes,
Abdullah.
ma'am. We
Thank
enjoyed
you,
the
ma'am.
session very much. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
Deepika ma'am. We had a great time with you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Right. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good old times.